Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 66 of building the classic 1966 TV series, Batmobile. This is a very short, quick episode by the looks of it. We're starting the center console and fitting the seatbelts. After looking at the puzzler, I haven't seen the puzzler yet. Sent him up in a hot air balloon. How did they get out? Did they get out? Yeah, I'm sure they did. They out-puzzled the puzzler. Picture of the puzzler. I don't know if that's some sort of licensing deal or something. I don't know. Catwoman, when in Rome. I don't know why she's in Rome. There we go. This is the Catwoman. Batman Contagion. New Dark Days in 1996. New Plague. COVID. But there you go. Bat Contagion. And then Legacy Batman Detective Comics. Save the day once again. Disaster followed disease. Earthquake. Yes, so this is what we've got. We've got seatbelts and center console piece. We've got to thread them through and apparently tie them together, which is interesting. Doesn't really give you an indication of exactly how much to leave out. So I shall be guessing and practicing my knot tying. So let's clear this out of the way and let's get straight to it. So this is what we've got. We've got our center console piece and we've got our seatbelts, which are quite nice. Yeah, they got little bat symbols on and everything. So yeah, I don't quite know what's what. They are both the same. Yeah, the symbols are the same way up on those. So these basically need to thread through there. It's got them threaded through that way, keeping the bat symbol the right way up. And it appears that the hole is not quite as wide as the belt itself. It'll take a little bit of poking to get that through. Hopefully I can grab it from the inside. That's going downwards. Okay, so it's just all going down rather than across. Poked in, going downwards. Grab that. Come on. There we go. So yeah, that's that going through there. Do the same as that on the other side. It's not really going to make any odds if you do have to flip it around, but I'll try and get it the correct way round again. So we get it that way round. Poked down and through. Grab. Oh. Right through and down enough. There we go. So that's those in there. Then these need to be tied together. I'm going to put them through more and just tie them together. Judging by the picture, got a bit hanging loose. I'll do about that. That looks like about the same as they've got in the picture. And they're about even. So there we have the seatbelts. I don't understand if that's going to go across and that's going to go up, or how that's going to attach. Looks like that's going to attach in somewhere, but they're not going to be done up anyway. So I'm happy with how that is. That's got them about the same length. Not that you can tell that from the picture there. It looks like that might be a bit shorter. But I can always push them through more or pull them through more if need be. That looks about like the picture, doesn't it? I think so. So there we go. That's another issue done. Next time, I think we're continuing with the center console piece. So I'll see you back for more of this in a couple of days. So thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye bye for now.